Good morning or good afternoon. This review that will be read to you is going to be for the unit on equations, and this is your review sheet. So first, please go ahead and put your first and last name as well as your class period. So question number 1. ABC Cellular charges their customers $50 for service and $20 for every gigabyte of data they use. DEF Cellular charges their customers $65 and $15 for every gigabyte of data they use. Which equation could be used to find when both companies charge the same amount? A, 50 plus 20x equals 65 plus 15x. B, 50x plus 20 equals 65x plus 15. C, 50x plus 20x equals 65 plus 15. Or D, 20 plus 50 equals 65 plus 15. Question number 2. Which situation can be modeled by the inequality 15 plus 2x is greater than 10 plus 4.25x? A. D's Laundry Service charges a convenience fee of $15 and $2 per pound of clothing. Mobile Laundry Service charges a pickup fee of $4.25 and $10 per pound of clothing. At how many pounds of clothing would D's Laundry Service be less than Mobile Laundry Service? B. Mobile Laundry Service charges a pickup fee of $2 and $15 per pound of clothing. D's Laundry Service charges a $4.25 convenience fee and $10 per pound of clothing. At how many pounds of clothing would D's Laundry Service be less than Mobile Laundry Service? Mobile Laundry Service charges a pickup fee of $15 and $2 per pound of clothing. D's Laundry Service charges a $10 convenience fee and $4.25 per pound of clothing. At how many pounds of clothing would D's Laundry Service be less than Mobile Laundry Service? Option D. Mobile Laundry Service charges a pickup fee of $15 and $2 per pound of clothing. D's Laundry Service charges a convenience fee of $10 and $4.25 per pound of clothing. At how many pounds of clothing would D's Laundry Service be greater than Mobile Laundry Service? Question number 3. Solve for x. 3/4 x minus 5 equals 19. 18.66 repeating. 20. 23. 5. Number 4. Solve the equation for x. Negative 3x plus 12 equals negative 7x minus 28. 10, 4, negative 4, or negative 10. Again, your answer choices for number 4 are 10, 4, negative 4, and negative 10. Question number 5. Which model below represents the equation 5x plus 4 times 4 equals x plus 2 times 4? What solution of x makes the equation balanced and true? So again, the model below represents the equation 5x plus 4 times 4 equals x plus 2 times 4. What solution of x makes the model balanced and true? On your model, you have 5 x's on the left along with 4 blocks of 4 on the left. On the right, you have 1 block of x and 2 blocks of 4. Your answer choices are negative 2, 12, 10, and 3. Number 6. Solve the equation for w. Round your answer to the nearest tenths place. 3 times w minus 5 equals 4 times 3 minus w. Option 1, w equals 3.8. Option 2, w equals 3.9. Option 3, w equals 4. Option 4, w equals 3.857. Question number 7. While on vacation, Ty won a lot of virtual tickets at 2 arcades on the boardwalk he was visiting. The first arcade charges $1 to cash in the ticket and gives you 12 cents back on each ticket you won, while the second arcade gives you 10 cents back on each ticket and no fee to cash in. Which equation could be used to determine the number of tickets Ty must have won in order for Ty to make an equal profit from both arcades? Arcade number 1, $1 fee and 12 cents per ticket. Arcade number 2, no fee and 10 cents per ticket. Your option choices are option 1, 0.10x equals 0.12x minus 1. Option 2, 0.12x plus 1 equals 10x. Option 3, 0.12x minus 1 equals 10x. Option 4, 100x equals 120x plus 1. Question number 8. Solve the following for h. -2 times 3 minus 2h equals -42. Your answer choices are -12, 9, 6, and -9. Question number 9. What is the value of x? In the answered field, just type your answer only the number and nothing else. Your equation or your picture shows 4 x's on the left along with 2 1s. On the right, you have 1 x and 8 1s. Whatever your answer is, when you're filling out your Google form here, simply put only your answer. So for example, if your answer was 100, in the answer field, you would type 100 for 100. Question number 10. Zoe is comparing Party Bus prices for her birthday. Party Bus R Us charges $35 per hour and a $50 registration fee. Fun for You Party Bus lists their price at $90 per hour and a $25 registration fee. What is the equation and how many hours before either company will charge the same amount? Answer choice A, 5/11ths of an hour or almost 30 minutes. Answer choice option 2, an hour and 20 minutes. Option 3, 1 hour. Option 4, 20 minutes. Question number 11. Audrey and Carmen belong to different local gyms. Audrey pays $35 per month and a one-time registration fee of $15. Carmen pays $25 per month but had to pay a $75 registration fee. Write and solve an equation to find how many months it will take before Audrey and Carmen have spent the same amount on their gym memberships. Your answer choices are 15 plus 35 equals 25x plus 75, where x is equal to 6. 15 plus 35x equals 25x plus 75, where x is equal to 6. 15 minus 35x equals 25x plus 75, where x is equal to 9. And 15 plus 35x equals 25 plus 75x, where x is equal to -6. Please submit this to your teacher when you're done, and good luck.